Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the Man channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Ember temperature control mug. So guys, we're basically unboxing this. This is a really cool mug, and what it can basically do is it can heat up any liquids in it. So like, whatever you're drinking, your drink stays warm all the time or cool. And yeah, it's like a really cool mug. So yeah, Alright, no, it only goes hotter. But yeah, let's just get into this. So make sure you guys subscribe and like the video so I know what you guys like. And I'm trying to get 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So yeah, let's just get into it. Ooh, ominous box opening. Whoa. Okay, so this is the mug itself. This is what's inside, what it looks like inside. Throw that. Now this is what the mug itself looks like. So, and you're not supposed to microwave it. And this is what it looks like. We got the white color, and it's made out of metal, and it has a charging thing at the bottom here, which is what you put on the dock, which I'll show in a second. That's that thing. Very luxurious experience. So this is the dock where you put this like metal part right here on. So you like place this on here, and that's how you charge it. And there's an app that you have on your phone that you use to heat it up, which is really neat. Let's keep opening it. What's this part? Is there anything else, or is that it? There's got to be something. Oh, yeah, because you need a cable. All right. Oh, there it came out. So here's the cable itself, like I said. And then we have this thing, instructions, a dream come true. Wow. And then stickers, if you want to put sticker. I don't know why you would put a sticker on a mug. Guess they're just trying to make it better. And then I think, is that all that's in the box? Yeah, I think that's it. That's the rest of the box. But yeah, I think we should test it out, guys. So, yeah, so this is just a close-up view of the mug. Very neat looking. Whoa. So let me peel off the back part. Satisfying. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Then you're not supposed to put water on this, so I have to peel that off so it can actually stick. So, yeah, let's test it. We're gonna cut to a new room. Okay, guys, so I got my phone open, and it's introduced me. I just got the app, so I guess there's multiple different Ember things. There's an Ember cup, Ember travel mug. What is that? Ember travel mug 2, Ember tumbler, and Ember mug. So we got the Ember mug, so I'm gonna click next. Pair your thing until the. Okay, we can. While using the app. Oh, I forgot. I have to plug it in. Oh, there goes my phone. Okay. Alright, so we gotta plug it in first. Just plug it in. Oh, you know what? I can't. Oh, it unraveled. Let's plug it in real quick. How do I plug this? So I'm gonna go here. This is how to plug in a mug with the man. Plugged in. Let me get the front part. Okay. It's searching for the mug. I'm gonna put it right there. Why is it not working? Let me turn on Bluetooth's on, so it should be working. Why is it not pairing? Hello? Wait, let me see what to do. Press and hold the power button until the LED blinks blue. Oh, the power button. Where's the power button? Oh. I guess I have to hold onto it until it blinks blue. Why is it not doing anything? Blink blue. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's connecting, guys. It's connecting. Yep, let's pair it. Okay, it's pairing with the mug. This is so cool. I guess I'll make an account real quick. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, I just did it. So now I can change the LED color of it. Oh, look. It, like, changes as I do it. So, like, let me move this here real quick. Alright, watch, guys. I can, like, change it to blue. I can change it to green. Change it to dark green. Does dark green not work? Blue. pink. This is so cool. I might change it to lime blue. That looks cool. Okay, not lime blue. No. Okay, so we're gonna click done. Okay, so I can basically increase the heat. Hit. Okay, so I'm gonna fill up the mug real quick. We're gonna do it right here. You guys gonna watch me fill up the mug. Okay, I'm just gonna fill it up to there about. And we'll put it there. Let's check the temperature before. 73.9 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's not empty anymore. Let's turn on the heater. And right now it's 77 degrees. And I think it should be increasing. What is it doing? So, oh, I could check a timer. I could put presets and recipes. Let's do a green tea. No, actually, I want it all the way hot. Oh, so it's increasing in temperature, guys. It was 77, now it's 80. And I can feel it getting hotter. There's like bubbles in it now. It's like heating up. 80 degrees, 81, 82 degrees. Okay, it's keep increasing. Let's see. Oh, there's like more bubbles. Is it actually 82 degrees? What? 77.2 degrees. So the outside doesn't really get hot. It's more the water. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's warm. Okay, that's warm. So water's heating up. We'll try this again with the actual thermometer. Let me try that after. But like, yeah, it's getting hotter. I can feel it getting hotter. This is what it looks like. Really neat. Look at that little animation. Whoa. Wow. This is actually so cool. I'll be back when it fully heats up and then I can show you guys. Okay guys, it's been a while, but it's 118 degrees, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes it's taken, but it's 118 degrees now. From out here I can feel the heat waves kind of. Outer mug is a little bit warm, not too warm. It shows 113 degrees, but like I'm scared to touch. I'll do it, guys, for the video. Yeah, it feels 118, not exactly, but it's like close. It might be because it's not fully charged, but I can take it off. It's still heating. Yeah, there's 119 now. This is overall a great mug. I think it's worth buying. It's amazing. I mean, it has a lot of customization features for the colors, and it works well. It took a while to heat up, but I feel like if you're like not wanting extremely hot immediately, it's good at that. So I rate it maybe a 7 out of 10, but I would recommend buying it. So yeah, and guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, see ya.